In my first video I already show how to download the video editing software and registered it free. Now today I am showing how to edit the video by using VideoPad video editor. So now you can go and double click on VideoPad's video editor icon, and now you can see there's a window is coming. So you need to select new project. You need So now we need to know how to upload the video. So first of all I will go here and select the open tab and select the video. So you can select the video what you like, browse it and select and open, and now you can see video is already uh, uploaded to the software. So how to delete the audio file and how to add the separate audio file. How to delete the audio file and add the new separate audio file. So I will show you how to do this one. First you need to drag and drop this video clip to your timeline, and you can see here a video track and a audio track. So first of all you need to separate these two tracks. For the moment now they are stay like a same because this is the same video. So you need to separate this audio track and the video track. So just right click and press here unlink from the audio. So now you can see here already you have unlinked from the audio. So now you can delete the previous audio track and you can delete that one. And after, now what you need to do is add a new audio track. So now what you need to do is add the new audio track. So again you need to go open tab and select the required what you need to upload audio track and browse that one and click open. So now you can see under the audio files this audio track is there. So same like previous way, you need to drag and drop this audio file to the location, audio track location, and you need to uh, drag and drop, and you need to check whether it is working properly. Yes, now it is working properly. But maybe you no need to uh, play this whole audio track. So you need to split this audio track. Only you need a separate part. So you can do this one in two ways. One way is just move the cursor to the required position of the audio track, and you can now you can just right click and press split selected clip. You can press split selected clip. So you can see already splitted. So you can select the other part and you can just uh, delete the other part, or else you can do that one in another way. Now I will go to the previous audio track location. You can move the cursor. When you move end of the audio clip, cursor is changing like this. So you can move the cursor for your required location and move to that location. So you can see now it is not playing. You can see it is not playing anymore. So now I will show you how to use video effects when changing two video clips. How to use video effects when changing two video clips. So first of all we need to upload another video clip to our software. So we need to go open tab and browse the video which you require. I will select this uh, video clip and open. So now the other video clip already is uh, already um, already in here. So you again same like previous, drag and drop the video clip. So you can see now already it is in the video track number 1. So you can see it is in the same track. So I will play so you can see what is happening there. So you see already from one video
Just
to
now
the
it
other
started.
video it is jumping. So to not to make like that, you need to add some video effects. So you can just press this X button. This is a joining of these two videos. So you just press this button and you can add the effects which you require. So now I will add a star. So you can see there's a question asking, and yes, you can need to select yes, move the clip from an overlapping transition. You just select this one. And so now we will see how the video is working after adding the video effects. You will see already it is not jumping, it is coming like a star, not jumping the video to the other video. It is coming a star mark. Now I will show how to change scale and rotation of the video. How to change scale and rotation of the video. Sometimes video is not coming exactly upright position. So you need to rotate your video. For an example, I will show you this video clip. You can see it is not upright position. So what you need to do is you need to rotate this video for upright position. So I will show how to do this one. So you go and select the video and select the video effects, and after go to the motion, this motion button, click that one, and after you can see here rotation. You can see here rotation. So you can drag this bar, or you can just type it. If you need to exact figure, you need to just type it, and you can bring back that one to upright position. You can see already it is coming to upright position, or you can select whatever the rotation you require. And after I will show you how to change the scale. So in the same panel you can see scale. This one also the same way. You can adjusting the bar, you can adjust the size. That means you can zoom in or out, and you can adjust the scale. And also in same manner you can uh, type by hand uh, also. In that way you can change the settings of the video. Now I will show you how to blur or pixelate the selected part of the video clip. So you can see in the video track there's FX button. So just click on the effects button, and you can see there's a green color cross mark, and just click on that one, and after you can go to filters, and you can select sensor. So when you select the sensor, you can see in the video there's a one black color box is coming. So there's a one black color box is coming. You can select the certain part of the area you need to be blur or pixelate, and extended that box as you require. And after, you can see by moving the time frame, this box is stay throughout the video. To move this uh, box only a certain part, only to blur the certain part, you need to uh, activate this keyframes, so as you required. So you need to just put the keyframe and just press on one position, and also go to the other keyframe and just put another position. So you already have 2 points in the time frame. So by using this time frame, you can uh, enable button, you can click out, and also you go back to the other position of the time frame, and again you can enable. So you can see only this part, only a certain part of the video is uh, showing this black color box. Now I will show you how to change to pixelate or to the blur. It is very simple. There's a sensor type. Previously we show black color. So now you can choose pixelate. You can see it is already pixelate in that area. You can see it is already pixelate this, and or else you can do that one blur. So you can see it is already blur in the color. So like that twice you need to follow how to blur and pixelate. Now I will show you how to add the text, for your video clip. So it is very simple. You need to go, there's a one tab called add text. Just click on that one. There are various kind of options. So you just select the simple text overlay, and here it is coming some window. So what first you need to go, you can here you can select font style whatever you like, you can select, and you can select the outline how it should be, and the color of the outline you can choose also. uh, you can choose also and also you can select the font size. When you change in the font, you need to select, and you can select as you require. And also background color, you can select whatever that you like. You can select the background color like that twice. And here it is very important one, when you applying for the video. If you apply like this, for an example, now you can go and apply when the video is playing. In that part, you can see only the text file is showing. To uh, to prevent that one, you need to again go and you need to adjust the opacity background opacity. So you need to put background opacity in zero. So it is coming zero. So you can add the text here. So you can add the text here, and you can see it is showing in the video without any background. So I will close this one. Now you can see when the video is playing. So when the video is playing, you can see, so it is not showing the background. Now I will show you how to export the video file. You can see here, tap export video, or you can see here export. So I will just press export video tab and select the first one, video file. I will select the video file, and you can name as you required, sample one. You can select and save to the folder as you wish. I will save to the folder, and you can select the preset. So you can select YouTube 720 pixel, and the file format you like, and resolution what you like, and also how stretching, crop, or letter what you like, you can select. Same here, subtitles or frame rate you can select also. After finish, you can just press create button. It will take some time to convert this video. So now you can see already video clip exporting is completed, and after this one you can close this and just save this project, because maybe you need to require later to edit furthermore. So more better you select this one and save this project. So I will save this project as project number one, and save that one. So thank you friends watching this video, and subscribe my channel. If you like, share it, comment it, and like it. Thank you very much.